How to start your acrylic painting. Things that you need: canvas, acrylic colors, brushes, paper palette, cleaning cloth, disposable apron. Put on your apron. Prepare a cup of water for cleaning purpose. Draft your ideas using pencil. You can use eraser or cover the mistakes with colors later. Acrylics are fast-drying paints that can be thinned with water. Squeeze the paint onto the paper palette and separate the chosen colors from each other. Don't squeeze too much if you are not sure of the combinations. If you need a darker tone, add a little black. For a lighter tone, add white. Take the colors, mix and test until you get the correct combination. Remember to clean your brush or use a new brush for a new color or combination. You can add some water to smoothen your brush during painting, but not too much. Acrylic paints can blend beautifully, so be patient and gentle with your strokes. You can use a hairdryer to dry your artwork before applying another layer of color. And remember to change your water frequently during painting.